In tf.nn.max pool max underscore pool 1D, this is a specialized case for 1D, and the dimensions of the input tensor in this case would be batch size. Then we have the number of values we have, so input sequence length and the number of channels. So here we have created this particular input which is of shape 1 by 5 by 1. So we have one batch size, one for channel, and then 5 elements inside of this tensor, 5 values, 1 2 3 4 5. And for kernel size we just have an integer value of 2, so we take the maximum value of 2 values and then use a stride of 1, so we move by 1 value. So the first would be these 2 values, so the max of this is 2, then we move by 1, stride of 1, and then the max value of this is 3, the max value of this is 4, and then max value of this is 5. And so when we run this, we would get the output 2 3 4 5 as we saw, and the implementation is the same as what we have seen in max underscore pool, except that we now have to add this letters 1D after the max pool. The input is the same, so input is equal to input, k size is equal to kernel size, strides is equal to stride, padding is equal to valid. So that was it for this video. I hope in this video you got some idea as to how you can use max pool 1D. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.